Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Shopify taxes with TaxJar, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. In the Apps section, find and click on TaxJar. If you haven't installed TaxJar yet, search for it in the Shopify App Store and install it. Once installed, open the TaxJar application from your Apps section. You'll be prompted to connect your TaxJar account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to enter your TaxJar credentials and authorize the connection. Next, go to the Settings tab within the TaxJar dashboard. Here, select the Sales Tax option. Choose your home state from the drop-down menu to set your primary tax settings. Review the tax rate information for accuracy. If you need to add more states, click on Add State. Enter each state name and click Save after each entry. Ensure that your nexus is correctly configured in TaxJar to reflect where you have tax obligations. Now, return to your Shopify admin and navigate to Settings at the bottom left. Click on Taxes in the Settings menu. Here, you will want to ensure that your tax settings in Shopify align with your TaxJar configuration. Double-check for any overrides or changes that might conflict with TaxJar's settings. Make sure you enable automatic tax calculations if needed. Once everything is verified, go back to your TaxJar account. Select the Reports tab to see your tax liability. Review the reports for each state where you collect taxes. If everything looks correct, you can proceed to file your taxes directly through TaxJar. For any adjustments or issues, consult TaxJar's help resources or customer support. After filing, ensure to update your records in Shopify for consistency. Finally, regularly review and update your tax settings in both Shopify and TaxJar as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.